Live from the kitchen, it's me. So, I just wanted to play around with this new laptop of mine, so decided to go somewhere with some better lighting, which happens to be the kitchen. So, hello, new laptop, me, kitchen, how you doing? Apologies if I haven't responded to any of these questions that have been posed. I've just been kind of all busy, caught up, upgrading computers, and actually that's what I want to talk about today, is I've been upgrading computers. Why? Well, I am working on a new game, as I'm sure everyone is working on something. And something that I want to drive this next project of mine is sort of a technical requirement that I've put in place. That I want my new game to require shaders. The last game I worked on, Smiles, it had the requirement that it could basically work on any hardware that supported fixed function rendering, which is kind of a strange thing to point out, seeing how it was a 2D game. But I explicitly developed it requiring a certain level of 3D hardware that did not require shaders. But this time I decided I want to do a game that requires shaders because that's all new. Well, I want to call it new, even though shading graphics cards have been quite commonplace since, I don't know, maybe the past 10 years. But not commonplace in the low end, though that may be changing. So what I've done is my server used to have a Intel GMA onboard graphics chip, which is a fixed function graphics chip. The same thing you see in all these netbooks, which for me was my last laptop was a netbook. So I've now bumped my server up to an ATI 6000 series graphics card because I don't have a means of testing ATI GPUs. At least I didn't, and now I do. Also, the laptop has a Intel HD 3000, which is actually a supposedly very capable shader-capable GPU. I'm going to find out all about it when I start fiddling, but so far it looks good. And my workstation PC has had NVIDIA cards. It's got a 200 series something or other that works fantastically awesome, and I don't know, it's always been good. But my laptop, and there's my mobile setup, and my server, which will be my secondary, well, it'll be my standing desk eventually, which I'm sure I'll talk about another time, are all shader capable now, which is great because I can test the PC side of shaders. And yeah. But the big important reason, though, is pretty much all mobiles today, you know what, I want to say every mobile phone you buy today has a shader-capable GPU in it. That's not the case for laptops. You can still buy netbooks, you can still buy motherboards with a fixed function capable graphics in it, but all the mobiles have shader-capable GPUs. And then next year, 2012, all the consoles will have shader-capable GPUs. The only holdouts were the Wii and the PSP, which are to be replaced by the Wii U and NGP or PS Vita. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. I didn't watch the keynote. So yeah, I'm going shader crazy. That's my big step for my new game. I'm expecting it to be done or attempting to be launched sometime next year, probably mid to late. So you know what? I've decided no more fixed function. We're going right to the guts of the fancy shader fun. So this is me from the new laptop in the kitchen. Bye-bye.